Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how you insert an image into any shape in your Google Slides presentation. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging in, guys, you'll be able to make your own presentation. And as you can see, I have already created a presentation right here, and here I have some slides with some info on them. So guys, let's say that I want to add a picture to one of my slides and I want it to be in a circular shape or something similar. I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now, and it's very easy. So guys, go ahead and add the picture that you want to use by going right here in the upper corner into the insert option and click on insert, and now under the image option we're going to go ahead, guys, and select upload from computer. So guys, go ahead and select upload from computer or from wherever you have your picture. I am uploading from computer. I'm going to upload this picture right here of a pencil, guys. So as you can see, now I have successfully added the picture, and the standard option in the shape for a picture is this right here, rectangular shape. So yeah, guys, let's say that I want this to be a circle. So guys, all you have to do to turn this into a shape is just go ahead and select the image and then go right here in the upper toolbar and find this option called mask image. Actually, mask image. You want to click on this arrow pointing downwards right here. So guys, go ahead and click that arrow, and as you can see, now you can change this image into whatever you want. You can change it into an equation, you can change it into an arrow, but I'm going to go ahead and select the shape. So let's say, guys, that as I said, I want it to a circular shape. I'm going to go ahead and click this option right here, and as you can see, I have successfully transferred the image into a shape. Now you can put it wherever you want, guys, and you can transfer it into any shape that you want. But yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.